Hi guys! Good evening! Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Eto, I'm still alive. Hindi, I'm still awake. Paano hindi magiging awake? Nagko-coffee pa. Gabi na. Siyempre, coffee is life. Kape-kape tayo guys. Coffee kayo dyan. This is my new favorite kasi, yung cafe macchiato. Cafe macchiato. From Luxlim. Luxlim, baka naman. Ang sarap. Kape tayo guys. Bye!